I never thought Sunday dinner would end in a hospital bed. It started with the usual: roast chicken, garlic potatoes, and Aunt Lila's peach cobbler. My cousin Vanessa was unusually quiet, stirring her wine with the same silver spoon she used to use as a child to torment ants under the sun. Halfway through dessert, my vision blurred. My hands trembled. The cobbler turned metallic on my tongue. That's when I saw her, watching me, not the food. They say poison is a coward's weapon. But what kind of coward poisons their own family? Part 2 in my channel.